a Kaizen application at Toyota.
I am going to present to you the brief history of the company Toyota. The Toyota company started in 1933. It was founded by Kichiro Toyoda. Kichiro Toyoda is a Japanese man who wandered to the United States of America to learn more about the modern motor factories. The father of Kichiro Toyoda helped him a lot in order for him to achieve his dreams and turn it into reality. Toyota was changed to Toyota mainly because of luck and prosperity. The post-World War II has brought more investment and opportunities to the company since during the World War II, they heavily investment to the cars that the Imperial Japanese Army can use. The continuous success of Toyota is achieved by building cars and trucks, and of course, through the years, they are improving the quality of what they produced. That's all, thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Avrina Ayla Andrada and I will be discussing the previous process of Toyota. Before Toyota implemented the Toyota Production System or the TPS, wherein they already used the Kaizen, which they started to use in the 1950s. Here are their previous processes. First, we have racks of parts are scattered everywhere, which causes the workstation to be crowded, and we do not want that to happen in our workstations because it might delay our works or our activities. Second, the operator would grab the parts and run to the car to set up the parts. Imagine they are required to run. And after that, the operator will repeat the cycle all in 55 seconds depending on the car in the station. Wow, that's very quick. Another one. Sun visors and seat belts have many variations, and these are not organized by which car it is applicable on, and this will result to the next process. The operator will be the one who will be deciding which part to grab and set up. This kind of process did not benefit them well. In their previous process, error is inevitable due to scattered parts and unorganized workstations. Health and safety of the employees are also at risk in their previous process, in which the team can also work on and improve by introducing new innovations and welcoming changes like what they did in implementing or applying the Kaizen in the 1950s. In addition, Kaizen became one of their core principles of Toyota production system in the present time.
It was seen in their previous process that Toyota has a prevailing issue of a high percentage of faults and a long time consumed in the production. The workers are having the difficulty of choosing sun visors and seatbelts when there are 12 possible combinations offered. To address the issue, the principles of the Japanese philosophy of lean production called Kaizen was implemented. This technique suited Toyota's business, having the pursuit of continuous improvement, and its main goal is to ensure quality, elimination of waste, and improvements in efficiency, both in terms of equipment and working procedures. Toyota focuses on the elimination of the unnecessary items in the workplace and ensures that everything is classified and has a specific place for storage. The company considers that in this step, all necessary pieces for production are classified and easy to use and find through the utilization of the simplest technology available known as the Rubbermaid Caddy. Its primary function is to deliver a kit of pre-sorted visors and seatbelts with one kit per automobile and each kit containing the necessary items for production. The vehicle and the Rubbermaid Caddy move along together until the end of the shift to prevent workers from choosing pieces that would take longer time to install than authorized, allowing them to focus on installing the sun visors and seatbelts that are specific to each automobile type. In the basis of Kaizen philosophy, The Toyota production system was emphasized, a must that all employees and managers must participate to decide on what actions must be implemented and prioritized in order to benefit the whole company.
It can be seen from this table that the monthly production rate has increased from the accommodation of 50 vehicles to 65 vehicles, showing an increase of 13%. The spaces were also utilized more efficiently as it increased from 61 vehicles to 71 vehicles per stall. Car damages were also lessened by 76% with the use of Kaizen. The implementation of the new technology on Toyota's production leads the employees to work faster, as the equipment was made to let them focus on installing the seatbelts and sun visors by delivering a kit containing the exact pieces needed for each automobile. The utilization of this new technology resulted in an increased productivity rate of workers, lessened combination errors, reduced time consumed in production, and a more convenient workplace for laborers. Efficiency have been achieved by continuous correction of deficiencies identified in the company. Toyota has been recognized for producing safe, durable, high-performance vehicles of all kinds. Toyota's vehicles rate highly in safety, reliability, and durability. They have also received different awards like the longest lasting vehicles of any full-line automotive manufacturer award.
After analyzing the case on the application of Kaizen at Toyota, we wanted to recommend that the company could offer seminars or training to the workers that will help expand their knowledge and skills. It will guarantee the improvement of the company as well as the workers because they will not simply depend on the given kits but also learn more as they continue to provide their services to the company. In addition, Toyota Company also must require an active participation of all employees in the process of continuous development. The corporation should focus on the commitment of the management, employees, and associates. Furthermore, the utilization of flowcharts should also be emphasized to serve as the basis of the process that shows the sequence of steps followed in the production. This would avoid conflict among the employees as they were guided by the flowchart, and a training tool for the workers on the standards procedure that would lead to a more consistent performance. Also is the root cause analysis, which would help the company determine the main cause of a problem. The 5 why technique to redefine a problem statement as a chain of causes and effects to identify the source of the problem by asking why, ideally 5 times. Lastly is to recommend the use of histogram to identify which errors are frequently made in the production and to make analysis of what actions must be done to lessen or remove these errors in the production. In conclusion, to address the issue of Toyota having a high percentage of faults and a long time consumed in the production, the Kaizen technique was implemented through the use of Rubbermaid caddy. The implementation of this technique ensures the maximum quality and usage of all resources, reaching a higher productivity rate. Toyota's small growth in achieving efficiency with the installation of sun visors and seat belts helped them as they made their name in the industry. Although it was a slow and step-by-step process, the Kaizen technique was indeed a great help to achieve the current success Toyota has.